Welcome. Are you having trouble viewing images on LinkedIn? It can be frustrating when pictures don't load, whether they're profile photos, shared images, or company logos. The good news is, there are several simple steps you can take to resolve this issue and get your LinkedIn feed looking as it should. Let's walk through some troubleshooting tips to get those images back. First, try the classic quick fix. Close the LinkedIn app completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that might be preventing images from loading correctly. Next, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is a common cause of loading problems. On most devices, you can check this by going to your settings and looking for the network icon. Give it a click to view your connection status. If your Wi-Fi is spotty, try moving closer to your router or switching to a more stable network. While you're at it, give your network a quick check. Sometimes, the issue isn't your device, but your network itself. Restarting your modem and router can often clear up connectivity issues. Just unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, plug them back in, and wait for them to reconnect. If the images are still not appearing, try restarting your device. This can help clear up any underlying software issues that might be affecting LinkedIn's performance. After your device has restarted, open the LinkedIn app again and see if the images are now loading. If you're trying to view an image that was sent to you directly, it's possible the sender had an issue on their end. Ask them to resend the image. This ensures that the image wasn't corrupted during the initial sending process. Another thing you can try is clearing the app's cache. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause problems. To clear the cache on most devices, go to your device settings. Find the LinkedIn settings and look for an option to clear data. Choose the Clear Cache option and confirm the step. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data or account information. If you're still encountering problems after trying these steps, you can try using LinkedIn's Post Inspector to refresh the data LinkedIn has related to the page or website. You can access Post Inspector at www.linkedin.com/postinspector. These steps should help you resolve most image loading issues on LinkedIn. If you are still having problems, the issue might be on LinkedIn's end.